Abul Ali from Dubai. We just came here for opening stores or office, which is first office in Dubai. We would like to him open in every places in Dubai and all UAE, inshallah. I wish him all the best. This is the brother, all the best, brother. Inshallah, we'll see you everywhere in UAE.
Thank you. So good evening. This is Dr. Tosif Pasha, our cousin brother Dr. KK Ghayazuddin, chairman of Nader Wood. Just we have today launching our this one manufacturing and this one as like a showroom. From here we want to do many units in Dubai Mall, in bigger malls, and we want to do the manufacturing also in the UAE, because in the worldwide is a global hub of is UAE. We want to make a international head office of the UAE. This one just inshallah today we started with our guidance of His Excellency Yaqub Ali. We are thank you so much for His Excellency and His Excellency Captain Major Umar sir and Iqbal. Thank you so much, businessman, influencer, and came from Oman, Ahmad sir, and many lot of the VIP guests are here. We are thank you so much for the coming and making our successful launch this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Today we have a Nadir Wood launching. We have just opened like a display this on this unit. We want have a big vision to open the many outlets here. In the oud, in the perfume, in the many things we want to start with the guidance of His Excellency. And we have seen the many ouds in the UAE. This you just try, you will be love it to use this oud, and you will be proud to use this one in the very best price. We can see the people this one a very high quality, very premium, and very good price. This I want to say, that give the message to the people. Thank you so much.